Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. To prepare this hair growth treatment, we will be needing fenugreek seeds as our first ingredient. So I'm gonna transfer some fenugreek seeds to a bowl. Fenugreek seeds are amazing source of protein. The proteins in fenugreek seeds help to support the strength of the hair, helping to strengthen it from the roots. So if your hair is weak, if you experience a lot of breakage and you have hair thinning and hair loss, introducing fenugreek seeds to your hair care routine is going to be a game changer. If you want to increase hair thickness naturally, then introducing fenugreek seeds to your hair care routine is going to change everything. I have been using these seeds and they are really amazing. The next ingredient I will be adding is bay leaves. I have been using bay leaves for a while. These leaves are amazing because they help to strengthen the hair, they help to thicken hair, to prevent scalp issues like dandruff, flakes, and also helping to stop hair loss and hair thinning. So if you have not yet tried out this recipe, then you need to start introducing it to your hair care routine. You can purchase bay leaves from your local market or Amazon. The next ingredient I will be adding to the recipe is fennel seeds. So this is how they look like. These are dried fennel seeds. If you don't have them, you can use cumin seeds instead. So I decided to do a research and I found that they are helpful for our hair as well as the scalp health. So if you have flaky scalp, dandruff, and scalp inflammation, then using fennel seeds will help to treat all those. Also, they help to soften hair as well as providing nourishment to the dry hair. So using fennel seeds will help to stop all the problems you have. Even if it's hair dryness or scalp issues, then fennel seeds are going to be helpful for your hair. We will also be needing hibiscus, and I will be making use of hibiscus powder. You can also use hibiscus flowers. Use any that you have. So I have been using hibiscus for a long time, since the time I started my hair growth journey, and this has been a game changer. Hibiscus helps to treat dormant hair follicles. It helps to grow hair to thinning areas, helping to thicken it, as well as helping to treat scalp issues like dandruff and flakes. Hibiscus also helps to support hair growth as well as helping to stop baldness and hair thinning. So if you are struggling with all those problems, then start including hibiscus to your hair care routine and you'll be surprised with how it is going to change your hair. So now that we have known the benefit of each ingredient, I'm going to transfer each one of them to a pan. So starting off with fenugreek seeds, I just added 2 tablespoons and I'm now adding 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. I'm also adding just a scoop of hibiscus powder since it is in powder form. So you are going to add a little because it is rich in color. So after adding all the ingredients, now I'm adding water, just 2 cups. Use any amount of water. So I transferred the mixture to a stove and allowed them to boil for about 10 minutes. And after boiling, I went ahead and let them cool down, and now I'm straining out to get the liquid. So if you guys are still watching this video up to this point and you have enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. In this channel, I share DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. So now we are going to the application, as I'm going to be showing you how to apply. So today I'm going to be applying this when my hair is still twisted. I'm not going to take down twist. My hair is really dry. So I'm going to apply starting from the roots, and then I distribute it towards the ends and making sure that each section is well coated since my hair is twisted. So I'm going to take some time. So once I apply, I like to take a few seconds to massage the treatment so that they can penetrate to the scalp and to the hair strands. This treatment is beneficial for our hair. If you want to grow your hair thick, and if you struggle with hair thinning and you have your hair is breaking or you have hair loss, then using this treatment will help to reverse all those problems you are experiencing. Use it on your scalp and hair, and when you apply it, just take time to give it a massage it to your scalp so that it can have immediate effect. You can use this in two ways, either as a tea rinse or as a leave-in. If you decide to use it as a tea rinse, make sure that your hair is clean. After shampooing and conditioning your hair, go ahead and pour this on your hair and massage it to your scalp, and then you can cover your hair with a plastic bag for a few minutes and then rinse it out with just water. If you decide to use it as a leave-in, just apply on your hair as I'm doing, and then follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock moisture and to make sure that your hair is not drying after you apply. So most of the time I like to use hair growth sprays as leave-in treatments, and they have really helped me to grow my hair. So if you have issues like you hair thinning and excessive hair loss, and also you have scalp issues, then I would recommend you to use this as a leave-in. Do not rinse it out after applying. Just follow up with your favorite moisturizer to seal and lock moisture. So as you can see now, I'm following up with my leave-in conditioner after applying the treatment to my entire hair. So we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Bye.